watch Russian Doll on Netflix?
Russian Doll?
It's so good. It's like this
no, I can't say I've
bizarre,
seen Russian Doll.
like Groundhog Day, kind of like really weird. Anyway, you gotta watch it. It's really good.
Yeah. I can't believe that you're doing that, actually.
What?
That. The plastic straw. I mean, I'm kind of shocked you'd use a plastic straw since you're a vegan and everything and, you know, all about saving the animals. I mean, do you know how much plastic is destroying our oceans?
Yeah.
And how much sea life is either killed or strangled or choked to death by plastic straws? Didn't you see that video of that sea turtle that had that plastic straw stuck in its nose? And it took all the strength of that guy just to pull it out?
Yeah, it was awful.
It's so sad. Plastic straws are really bad for the oceans and the planet. I mean, they say we use over 500 million every single day in America, and most of those end up in our oceans, polluting the water and killing the marine life. Not me, though. I'm not contributing to this any longer. I switched to reusable straws a long time ago to save our oceans and to save our marine life.
Dude, here's your fish sandwich.
Oh, yummy!
1, 2, 3. Listen.